Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change sketch line color in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website macnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. To explain the sketch line color setting, I will create a body which I have created. Now I will create a sketch and I will select a front plane, and I simply draw a rectangle, and I will give a rough dimension of 100 by 50. Now we will see the sketch line color setting in FreeCAD. To do this, go to the edit and go to the preferences and go to the sketcher and go to the color. And now here on the color you will have the options to customize the color. For example, my sketch is fully constrained, and you can see that fully sketch constrained color is a green, and if I wanted to change it to something else, for example I wanted to give to the pink, I will select OK and I will apply. So you can see that my sketch line color for fix or fully constrained is turns to pink. Now I will again change it to the default and I will apply it, so it has been changed. Similarly, for example, we will see the dimensions. So you can see that my dimensions color is yellow because my background is dark. So I will go to the sketch and color, and here dimension constraint color is yellow. For example, I change it to the red. I will say apply. So you can see that my dimension line color has been changed to the red. Now I will again go to the preferences and colors, and I will again change this to the yellow. Here you can see that external geometry which you can modify it. So its color setting in a FreeCAD is basically depends upon your background, what type of a background you are using, and depends upon your background you can customize the color setting in a FreeCAD. So this is a very small tutorials about the setting on a FreeCAD.